Welcome back, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. Welcome to another day of this daily vlog series. Let's get straight into the today's update, which is day 177 of our journey. So I started my day waking up around 9 a.m. I got out of my bed, freshened up, get ready for the work, and by around 10 a.m. Yeah, I was sitting at my desk, not the desk I have somehow managed to pull out from broken furniture at my home and ready to join my job. The first half of the work birthday was pretty normal. I worked continuously till until around 2 p.m. I guess, and after that I quickly had my lunch because I had to leave for a bank for some important work. So here's what today's biggest frustration happened. I thought it, I thought it literally took 5 minutes. It would be like quick visit, maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes at most, like going there, coming back, and doing the work. But no, the bank literally took almost 3 hours, 3 fucking hours for such a small task. Most of the employees seemed occupied with their own work. Everything was moving at such a slow pace, and I was sitting there waiting. I was in the line for hours. Honestly, it felt like such an unproductive use of time. I'm sure many of you have experienced this before. You go to get one tiny thing done, thinking you will be back in no time, and somehow half of your day disappear. That exactly what happened today. 3 hours gone for something that should have taken almost 10 minutes. I really hate people who work at the bank. They are highly unproductive people. Highly unproductive. They don't seem to be seem interested in doing their job. Instead, they are more interested in talking to each other, having gossips. By the time my work at the bank was finished, I rushed back to the home, logged back into the work. Thankfully, today wasn't a very hectic day at my job. There weren't any urgent tasks or urgency waiting for me. So when I returned, and I finally honestly grateful for that, because things could have gone very difficult or maybe differently since I had finished a few hours. Sorry, since I have missed few hours because of the bank visit, I decided to work until 8 p.m. instead of finishing at usual 7 p.m. It wasn't enough to recover all the lost time, but at least I wanted to compensate a little and finish whatever was pending. Although there was much pending, but still, once my work was done, it was time for my workout from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I completed my exercise session. Even after a frustrating day, it's really happy. I'm really happy that I didn't skip my workout, since consistency is what matters the most. And yes, another small win for today. I almost completed my 15,000 steps. Let's fucking go, man. That's something I'm trying to stay consistent with. Job, gym, my steps, and my daily routine. That's something I'm trying to stay consistent, and it always feels satisfying when I hit my goals after exercising. Today wasn't a very exciting day, but not every day has to be like. Some days are just about handling responsibility, dealing with unexpected delays, staying disciplined, and still manage to finish everything on your checklist. Even though those 3 hours at bank were frustrating, I still completed my office work, finished my workout. I hit my 50,000. The goal is 10,000 steps, but yet I extended them to the 15k. Had my dinner, and now I'm ending the day by recording this video. So overall, I would still call it a productive day. As for the rest of the night, I probably scroll through some social media, maybe relax for a little while, and while heading to my bed around 1 a.m. so I can wake up and do it all again tomorrow day. So that is day 177. If you really enjoyed watching these reels, unfiltered daily vlog, and want to follow my journey of balancing work, fitness, self improvement, jobs, and balancing work, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, and turn on the notification bell as you never miss an upload. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay happy as always. Tata, bye bye.